It's a good day. Today I'm preparing citronella ice creams.
Pour in the water in a jar. Squeeze half a lemon and half a lime also into the jar. Now add the confectioner's sugar, honey and salt. Stir until it's fully dissolved so every bite tastes smooth and refreshing. Wash the mint and tear the leaves into small pieces. It smells so fresh right away. And if you like, add some mint leaves and slices of lime and lemon into your molds. Pour the popsicle mixture into your molds and add the sticks and lids. Freeze for at least 3 hours until the popsicles are firm. To loosen them, hold the mold under warm water for just a few seconds. And there you go.
It's a good day. They're really good.
Quick, tasty and easy to prepare at home.